we are still in investigation 3.2. And we already answered questions 1 and 2, and now we're working on question number 3, where it says write an equation for the admission price P for a group of n people. What we actually need to do is we actually need to go back to the rule that we wrote, and I want to make sure that I do this exactly the way I did it. So it says take the number of people times 10. So I'm just rewriting this. So take the number of people times 10 and then add that value to the $50 group price. Okay. Then add that value to the $50 group price. And can't even see it. Oh, to get the total price. All right. Group price to get the total price. Okay. So that was my rule. So now what we're doing is we're writing an equation. So again, identify the variables. So my variables are admission price and n people. Okay? So if I am correct, what is determining what? The number of people is determining my admission price. So the number of people is my X, and the admission price is my Y. Okay. So when we write an equation, the way that we set it up is we always solve for Y. So admission price equals, and then we have our variable. Whatever the pattern is. So it was the number of people times 10. So, and people was my other variable. So number of people times 10, that's $10. And then plus, what am I starting at? Plus $50. All right, so because no matter what, even if there's like one person, if I take the group price, I have to pay $50 plus the $10 for each person that's in that group. All right, so now that's the start of it. Now, they want us to say admission price is P. So P equals, and the number of people is N. So P equals 10 times N plus 50, or P equals 10N plus 50. All right, and so now we have our equation done. So again, we're going to keep working on equations, so if you didn't catch all that or it was just a little bit too fast, that's okay. Just make sure you get all this information down. And again, we're going to keep working on equations until you guys get the hang of it. But all I'm doing is I'm basically following the format that we talked about in our last investigation, which was 3.1, where I talked about how do you start writing the equation. So if you're confused, look back at that note to see how I basically worked on this, because I didn't redo the whole thing. Okay.